Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ikmal Fitri bin Farizal. My matrix number is AA191886. We are going to present about our problem-based learning about mathematics engineering 2. We will present about part A question 3 and part B question 1. We can see the question of question 3 in part A. That about water leaks from a vertical cylindrical tank through a small hole in its base at a rate proportional to the square root of the volume of water remaining. If the tank initially contained 200 litre and 20 litre leak during the first day, find A. When will the tank be half empty? Second, how much water will be there after 4 days? As we can see, the problem statement of this question, water leaks from a vertical cylindrical tank through a small hole in its base at a rate proportional to the square roots of the volume of water remaining. If the tank initially contained 200 litre and 20 litre leak out during the first day. We can see here there was a 200 litre tanks that leaked 20 litres on the first day. We can see the facts here. The rate of water leak is proportional to the square root of the volume of water remaining. So that's mean the leak of water will be increased. And then our volume is in liter, and our duration, the time is in days, and the tank is vertical cylindrical shape. The idea is we can solve this using first population method. We can apply that. After that, solve the question using first order ordinary and differential question. Okay, our learning outcome, we will find the days. We will find the days when the tank will be half empty, because the tanks leak 20 liters on the first day, but on the second and the third days, the leak of water will be increased due to proportional to the square root of the volume of water remaining. After that, we can see here, find how much water will be there after 4 days. Our reference was using book, discussion with team, and engineering math 2 video. That's all from me. My friend will explain about the solution. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Abdul Rahman. My number matrix is AA190732. I will explain about solution part A, question 3. Okay. In the question A asks when the tank will be half empty. So we use this formula to know the question, and then we expand and become like this. But when the tank is full 200, so 0 b square root 200. Right, when the first day lose 20, so v 1 200 minus 20 maybe 180. Right, the tank on the first day left 180, so a plus square root 200 power of 2 equal 180. 180 a equal square root 180 minus square root 200, and then t 10 minus square root 200 divide by square root 180 minus square root 200. So the t will be 5.7 days. So the tank will be half empty in 5.7 days. Alright. Question B. Okay. After 4 days, what will be left on the tank? Alright. After 4 days, V4. So equal square root 180 minus square root 200 multiply by 4 plus square root 200 power of 2. Alright, and then only we get the 126.32 liters. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aiman bin Muhammad Adha. Okay, I will my turn is to tell about the Fila table question part B. So the problem statement is during the semester break, you work at the Parade factory. You need to remove a metal with its core temperature of 103,000 Fahrenheit from a furnace and place the metal on a table in a room that had a constant temperature of 75 Fahrenheit. 1.5 hours later, it is removed. 1.5 hours after it is removed, the core temperature is 1020 Fahrenheit. When you check the temperature of the metal, the temperature of the metal must be below 550 Fahrenheit before you can transfer it to the next section. You remove the metal at 8 a.m. and your lunch starts at 1:40 p.m. So the Fila table facts: you need to remove a metal with its core temperature of 1300 Fahrenheit from a furnace and place the metal on a table in a room that had a constant temperature of 75 Fahrenheit. The second fact: 1.5 hours after it is removed, the core temperature is 1020 Fahrenheit. The third fact: the temperature of the metal must be below 550 Fahrenheit before you can transfer it to the next section. And the last fact is that you remove the metal at 8 a.m. and your lunch starts at 1:40 p.m. So we go next to the ideas. The ideas is to solve the equation using solution step of Newton's law of cooling. The learning outcome from this problem, the first one is to find the rate of change of the temperature dt over dt in terms of T and Ts given the temperature of the metal Tt and the ambient temperature Ts. The second one is to show that T minus T equal to AE power of negative KT. The third learning outcome is to using the observed initial temperatures of the metal T0 equal to 100 and 1300, find the constant A. Hence, find T bracket T. The fourth, using the observed temperatures of the metal given T in bracket 1.5 equal to 1020, find the constant K. The last learning outcome, if you remove the metal at 8 a.m., are you able to go for your lunch at 1:30 p.m.? So for the action or reference, the first one is look at the to watch the engineering Mat 2 videos by the lecturer, and second action is to use the internet to find solution if there is any, and the last one is doing discussion with the team. So that's all for the Fila table for question part B. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zul Nazmi bin Zailani. My metric number is AA191908. Okay, today I want to present part B, question number 1, A and B. Okay, for the question A, find the rate of change of temperature, D temperature over D time in the term of T and Ts, given the temperature of the metal and the ambient temperature. Okay, we just put for the solution, we just put the information given in the formula, and we get D temperature over D time is equal to negative K T minus Ts. Okay, for question number B, we need the question is show that T minus ambient temperature equal to AE negative KT. Okay, so from this formula, we should insert the information given. So we just change the position and we use this formula, and we can prove that T minus TES equal to AE negative K over T. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Muhammad Syazwan Hassan, nombor metrik AA110.2. Pada hari ini saya akan menerangkan tentang solution part B, soalan 1 bahagian D. Okey, soalan ini adalah using the observed temperature of the metals given T 1.5 equal to 1020, find the constant K. Okey, seperti yang kita boleh lihat di sini, ini adalah solution dia. Okey, T 1.5 sama dengan 1020. Kita ambil daripada soalan tu apa yang dia nak. Okey, kemudian 1020 sama dengan 75, iaitu constant temperature dalam bilik, dan ditambah dengan 1222, iaitu nilai A, iaitu hasil tolak metal core temperature dan juga room temperature. E power of negative KT. Okey, kemudian kita pindahkan kedudukan dia. Kita pindah, dia akan menjadi 1020 tolak 75 bagi 1225. Okey, setelah membuat calculation, kita akan mendapat 0.7714, dan kita masukkan nilai 1.5 negatif. Okey, bersamaan dengan K ln eksponen E sama dengan ln dan kurungan 0.7714, iaitu hasil tolak dan bahagi tadi. Okey, kemudian kita bagi nilai K, dan K sama dengan ln per 0.7714 ln dan kurungan 0.714 darab bahagi dengan negatif 1.5, dan apabila kita membuat kiraan, kita akan dapat nilai K adalah sebanyak 0.1730. Okey, seterusnya soalan E, iaitu if you remove the metal at AM, are you able to go for your lunch at 1:30 PM? Okey, bagi soalan ni nilai T iaitu 550, dapat dia petikan dia. Okey, dan kemudian 550 adalah metal temperature before transfer to reaction. Dia mesti bawah daripada suhu 550 Fahrenheit. Okey, 550 Fahrenheit, 75 constant temperature in room, tambah dengan 1225, iaitu nilai A tadi. Okey, kemudian power of negative 0.1730 T. Okey, dan kita akan alihkan kedudukannya, dan kita akan dapat 550 tolak 75 bahagi dengan 1225. Okey, dan kemudian yang kita akan dapati iaitu negatif 0.170 T ln E sama dengan ln kurungan 0.3878. Untuk menjadikan nilai T dia, iaitu time dia, ln 0.3878 bahagi dengan negatif 0.1730. Jadi nilai T kita akan dapat 5.5 hours, 5.5 jam. So daripada 8 pagi dan campur 5.5 jam, kita akan dapat 1.30 PM. So daripada sini kita akan dapat jawapan I am able to go for lunch at 1:30 PM. Okay, seterusnya ada conclusion. Conclusion bagi PBL ni through discussion to solve both problems and divide the task into several parts to facilitate the process of solving this problem. And then we solve the problem by using mathematical methods that are suitable for the solution. And also we can get a various different sources, for example reference such as library, website and so on. Okay, as a result, we were able to solve this problem with mathematical methods. This proves that mathematical problems can be applied in our daily life and problem solving. The PBL has made the student to develop their content knowledge and the development of skills such as collaboration, critical thinking, and problem solving. And lastly, we also can improve our motivation and engagement when we are thinking and trying to solve this problem. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.